Is biology the driver of behavior in autism? I think absolutely. Hi, my name is David. This is a very critical topic that I'm going to discuss today. And biology is a key component in autism. For example, let me put the slide here. There you go. Children with autism have, gastrointestinal dysfunction, mitochondrial dysfunction, inflammation, oxidative stress, and many other areas that are out of balance. The biggest issue here that the more out of balance in this area, the higher the symptoms of autism. For example, uh, children with higher levels of inflammation will have higher symptoms of autism, or children with higher gut symptoms will have higher levels of autism. And same issue with mitochondrial dysfunction. So it will make sense to improve this other area, to improve the gut, to improve the mitochondria, to improve inflammation, in order for the brain to improve and in order for the autistic symptom to go down. So it is quite important for parents or for relatives that are helping individuals that are affected with autism to be aware that these other areas, can affect symptoms of autism. And if we can improve or benefit these other areas, autism will improve, and there will be less symptoms present in people affected by autism. So let me keep it going here. The gut and the brain are connected. The gut and the brain are connected up to most of the serotonin is produced in the gut, not in the brain. Most of the serotonin is produced in the gut, not in the brain. And serotonin is like a neurotransmitter that helps you with mood and behavior. And it is manufactured in the gut. So as you see, the gut is crucial for brain function. Even like the gut is called the second brain. The gut is called the second brain. And most of the immune system is present in the gut. So if you're having constant issues with like ear infections or also upper respiratory infection, then you know that you may have a poor gut function in in in, in autism. Let me see. And next, gastrointestinal inflammation and infection in children with autism. Up to 91% of them, as I explained before, have issues in the gut, and there is high levels of inflammation present in children with autism with high level of bad bacteria. And if you got higher levels of bad bacteria, and it's related to higher symptoms of autism. For example, bacteria like Clostridia are at higher levels in children with autism. And so the key here is to benefit the good bacteria, with a healthy nutrition, eating more vegetables, eating more fruits, eating more nuts, eating healthy fat. These are all good things that you can do to build up your good bacteria in the gut. Even an antibiotic called vancomycin help to improve symptoms of autism. So even an antibiotic called vancomycin improves symptoms of autism. So as you can see, the gut is crucial for brain health in children with autism. Let me keep it going here. And last weekend, it was a pleasure to be participating in like special Olympics in a basketball tournament. And my kids, Debbie and Daviana, that are here with my wife Jessica. My kids won the first place in basketball. And as you can see, my son went, from severe autism to mild autism by upgrading his nutrition. So what I'm explaining here is not only because of research; it has been my experience. My wife and I, we were devastated by his condition, but we refused to give up, and we reached, a conclusion that no excuses are allowed. our son has to get better. And we stay committed, and we search and we search, and we found out that food and healthy nutrition with functional medicine principle is our key that benefits children with autism. So there is hope for autism. And by the way, if you're interested, my book Resilient Brain is available at Amazon, so you can find it there. And there is plenty of information regarding this topic, and not only information, just the solutions. So things that you can do to benefit children in the spectrum. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.